Some Benin City residents, while reacting to the court judgment, which has now made it illegal for the Edo State Traffic Management Agency to impound vehicles, demand for penalties over traffic offences, said the ruling will go a long way to relieve members of the public from undue harassment, intimidation, and humiliation by the agency.
I recommend the judge because it's not right for them to be jumping into somebody's vehicle. That's not why the government employed them.
The court did the right thing. And I wish that other departments that are still very wicked and callous should be taken to court.
EDSTMA, so they're supposed not to arrest. They are to correct people who want to do wrong, who want to park wrong, who want to break anywhere we're not supposed to break. Hey, move! Don't break here. You are not authorized. Then it will move.
Agencies of government seems to appropriate powers to themselves which they do not have. They do not seem to understand that their actions are circumscribed by law. The powers of EDSTMA is limited to the law that created EDSTMA. And so if the law does not give them the power to impound vehicles, detain vehicles, and auction them,
a legal practitioner, Chukwuka Enigide, had dragged Edo State government, the managing director of EDSTMA, Dennis Oloriegbe, and 3 others after his vehicle was impounded and detained for 117 days without fair hearing over an alleged traffic infraction. Commenting on the court's ruling, the victim, Chukwuka Enigide, said the judgment is a reflection of justice for the common man.
The courts are not made in vain, the judgments are not made in vain. They are entrenched procedures or going about judgment enforcement.
Justice P.A. Ahieu, in his judgment on the 30th of March 2022, held that the action by EDSTMA amounted to extortion, humiliation, forcible seizure and compulsory acquisition of the applicant's vehicle and his detention for a long period of time. The judge held that the demand by EDSTMA for payment as penalty is inconsistent with sections 1, 3, 35, 36, 44 and 272 of the 1999 Constitution. Several attempts to obtain comments from the managing director of EDSTMA, Dennis Oloriegbe, were unsuccessful, as he was said to be engaged with other official activities. Donald Eminyen reporting.